Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Salesforce Chatter for team engagement easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Salesforce Chatter, log into your Salesforce account. Once you're on your Salesforce homepage, navigate to the Chatter tab. If you don't see it, click on the app launcher on the top left and type in Chatter. In Chatter, you'll find a feed where you can see updates from your team and company. To post a new update, click on the text box that says Share an Update. Type your message to your team or attach files by clicking on the paperclip icon. You can also tag team members by using the @ symbol followed by their name, which alerts them. Once your message is ready, click the Share button to post it. To interact with your team's posts, you can like or comment by clicking on the thumbs up icon or the comment box under each update. To join a group for specific projects or interests, click on the Groups section. Find a group that suits your interests, or click New Group to create one. In the group, you can post updates, share files, and collaborate with your team. To see all files shared in Chatter, navigate to the Files section located on the left sidebar. You can upload new files by clicking on the Upload File button. To manage notifications, go to your user profile and adjust your settings under Chatter Notifications. This will ensure you stay updated with relevant posts and activities. To search for specific conversations, use the search bar at the top of the page. Type in keywords related to your inquiry or topic. By utilizing these features, you can enhance communication and collaboration within your team using Salesforce Chatter. Remember to regularly check your feed to stay informed about important updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.